Hey guys, this is JBL Boom box. The name which suits its personality. What should I tell you guys? It's just like a love at first sight. When you see the speaker and hear the sound of this speaker, it will definitely take your heart rate. And yes, its price is of course not cheap. It's around $449. So I am Faisal Ghazi. We'll review this boom box and let's check it out. What's the features inside? Maybe it's full of surprises, but we'll check it later. In the box, some supporting accessories just like user manual, USB charger and power cord. Now let's check it out, new boom box. And yes, it's too heavy to weight around 5.25 kgs, just like to lift 5 kg dumbbells. But you know what? All of this bulk is not for show. The boombox packs a level of power we rarely seen in the portable speaker. Look at this fabric material which gives its rich look. The main barrel stop section of the speaker houses dual forward firing 20 mm tweeters for high frequency tone and two 4 inches woofer at both sides which gives fantabulous bass response. Made to be the most powerful portable Bluetooth speaker, JBL Boombox delivers monstrous sound along with the hardest hitting bass. You can enjoy non-stop 24-hour music without missing a beat, and it all goes to internal massive 20,000 mAh battery. Now let's back to control panel. This one is power button and beside JBL Connect Plus button, which you can connect 100 JBL Connect Plus enable speaker under the Bluetooth range with just one press of button. There is also a battery level indicator at the bottom. Now look at the back side of the speaker. There is connection panel, but remember one thing, it should be packed in order to speaker remain waterproof. The panel houses 3.5 mm auxiliary input and two USB ports for charging USB devices, just like a power bank. And the right side, it's a charging port. Now the exciting feature of this boombox is indoor-outdoor mode. In indoor mode, trust me, the boombox essentially delivers powerful bass response, and at top volume, the bass doesn't distort it. The JBL Boombox is IPX7. It means it can be submerged underwater up to 3.3 feet and up to 30 minutes, which withstand any weather and even the most epic pool parties. And yes, of course, it's float on water. Now get ready for the sound test of this boombox. Now let's connect my smartphone to JBL Boombox, and according to JBL specification, it delivers 40 watts on battery mode and 60 watts on AC power mode. Let's check it out if specification is true or not.
The reason you can't slow me down, season the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be sure about what I'll be. Still can't believe everything I see. If I'm gonna stay down, well it's up to me. It's up to me. Yeah. Living in a world overcome with greed. Not what I want, got everything I need. And I'm working hard to the day I succeed. The day I succeed. Cause I'm leaving all the pain that they mean. What I'm trying to say, believe in. I can find a way. And I'm dreaming, no need to show me how the reason you can't slow me down, season the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be
you are truly bass lover, then this JBL Boom box will never disappoint you. Of course, its price is high, but you will understand why when you hear it in action. If you have any doubt, any question, you can post your comment in comment section below, and see you in next one.